Hi all, Christy Rogers here with Training Umbrella, and I'm here answering questions I often get in my classes. One being, how did you select that list so fast? Well, I'm here to show you just a couple of great keyboard shortcuts that I often use to select data. The first one you see on the screen is Control A, and that allows us to select an entire list pretty darn quick. So all you have to do is make sure you are in the list, like I am, and I'm going to my keyboard and hitting the Control key followed by A. And as you noticed, Excel did go up pretty quickly and grabbed all columns and all rows. Let me show you the next one I use that's quite handy, is using the Shift key with my arrow keys. So here, I'm going to start up here on Music Plus, and I'm holding down my Shift key as I choose my down arrow several times. And notice it's just one cell at a time, which is very precise. So this is great for precise selection. And I can move across and back up. A next one I use quite often is with my Control key. As you can see, I'm going to now use my Control key with arrows. So I'm going to start back up on Music Plus, and look what happens if it's just Control with the down arrow. It happened really fast, but looky down here, I'm already down to the last row. And Excel chose to stop here because my next row, 2022, is empty. So if I do the same thing, Control up arrow, then I'm back at the top. So using the Control key with your arrows simply jumps to the available space where there's a blank following. Let's look at my next one. I'm going to now combine both of those, Control and the Shift key together with my left hand, and then my right hand has to be available for those arrow keys. So I'm going back here to Music Plus. I'm holding down Control Shift with my left hand, and then my right hand is going to click the down arrow. Super fast. Instead of just jumping to the end, it allowed to select as we were going. Let me show you that again. I'm going to pop right back up, and this time I'm going to move to the right. So this will be a Control Shift right arrow, and it just quickly jumped to column M because N was blank. So there you have it. Those are just a few little shortcuts I use a lot when I'm selecting just a list, or if I'm inside of a function and it requires me to go outside to select a list, I use those as well. So good luck and give it a shot. See how it goes.